back with First Trades right here in ET now. And the one concern for the market, although it's a gap up today, really is the impact of this extremely overstretched summer, or rather early onset of summer. And it seems like the monsoon this time around is going to be below normal. That's what the IMD this morning also confirmed for us. So let's chat about how businesses like Blue Star are going to get impacted. We've got the MD, B. Thiagarajan, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Thiagarajan, always great to have you on ET Now. Morning, firstly. When we were chatting last, you said that you do expect summer to be better versus last. It seems like it's playing out exactly that. Early feelers of summer demand, what are you picking up from on ground?
Good morning, Aisha. It's a pleasure interacting with you. I am very glad that the summer is there at last. There were rains in the first week of April, but at last from last Saturday, we are seeing temperatures going up across the country. And for the first time in the past couple of days, in certain locations, it is even above 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the summer is here. And one problem is solved. That when we interacted last, I said that there is a headwind pertaining to the war and the market sentiments. The other one is summer has to set in, and we have to navigate it through. At least one problem is over. That summer is here.
But do you have enough inventory now, given that it's an early onset of summer and could be a delayed or lower than expected monsoon?
Enough inventory is there. I don't think inventory is an issue. Equally, let me also make it clear that I believe that it is important for the industry that the monsoon is also healthy, given that tier 3, 4, 5 markets constitute more than 65% of the sales. It is important for the industry that the rural economy is also good, which is dependent on monsoon. So I pray that summer is good and monsoon is also good. If at all there is a shortfall, it should be a minor shortfall. That's what I would pray for.
Okay. Mr. Thiagarajan, hi, this is Harsh also joining in the conversation. Let me get a sense in terms of pricing what's playing out, because you're stocked up with regard to inventory, but how's the industry stocked up on inventory, and therefore how is pricing evolving? Give us a sense of that.
Hirsch, good morning. See, I had shared with you that the price increase should be in the range of around 13% average, 5% coming out of the energy label change, 8% coming out of the commodity price increase. This does not take into account the plastic or petroleum products related material that is going inside. That will impact in the festival season, because for the summer season, enough raw material and components would have been bought already. So out of this 13%, my sense is only half of that would have got passed on. The rest of it should be happening as the summer picks up. So in the market today, the consumer will not be seeing the price increase at all, because enough inventory was there in the market in March itself. And also for a consumer, remember this, that compared with last year, there is 10% reduction from GST alone. My sense is the consumer will see an increase of 3 to 4% in May only, assuming that the summer sale continues to be good.
So you're saying that there's no demand-supply mismatch at an industry level at this point? And can I take that as a confirmation on that?
Absolutely. There is no demand supply impact at all, number one. There is no concern as of now. I think the summer will hold. And third, what we have to worry about is the market sentiments connected with this war, which we are already seeing in Kerala. Kerala, the sale is not happening. It's flat. In fact, it is lower than last year, same period even, because the Middle East impact on Kerala will be high. So the conflict has to end. As of now, the focus is on liquidating the inventory and making sure summer sales happen. We have to worry about the festival season, and it's entirely dependent on the consumer sentiments and what will be overall economic outlook for India.
Mr. Tyagarajan, if the war in the Middle East were to subside or were to end altogether, how quickly, if at all, there is a possibility of that, how quickly can prices reverse for you? Raw material prices, how quickly does that happen? And therefore, will all of the price increase that you're penciling in accrue to margins? Is that how one can see it?
Number one is the rupee itself. So there is a substantial amount of imports still happening, and therefore the exchange rate is something to watch out for. And it is very difficult to predict. The steel, copper, aluminium, zinc, all these are part of speculation as well, right? So as an industry player, we are not we have to play it quarter by quarter. My sense is that it will be an inflationary trend for at least 6-7 months.
So, Mr. Tyagarajan, I'm guessing on the weakish FY26 base, FY27 should be a blowout financial year in terms of your numbers.
I won't be able to comment on FY26 because it is a silent period. But summer to summer, if you look at it, it should always be better. It was known, but that is not good enough. Internally, I think we should compare with the FY25 how we are faring, and not sorry. That is 2024 summer rather than 2025 summer. That's the right way to go about it.
How does it stack up when you compare to 2024 summer then?
Looks positive as of now. 10 days ago, I would have hesitated, but the temperatures are going up across the locations, and the consumers are still buying, and the consumer sentiments have not changed, perhaps because they are protected from the war impact. As of now, the government has done a great job in ensuring they are not burdened.
Mr. Tyagarajan, you seem to be saying that early signs with regard to this summer, in fact, are continuously evolving, but they seem more positive as the weeks are rolling by. Is that the right way to kind of think of it? Is that what you're implying?
That is the positive way of thinking. I again say it's like a T20 cricket. It is just 1 or 2 overs. It can derail. It's difficult time because you're battling. The price increase has to be passed on to the consumers. There is a war-related concern. Weather is playing good as of now, and the industry is well prepared. Blue Star is well prepared, and positive way of thinking is that it is going to be good for the room air conditioner industry.
Okay, on that very positive note, Mr. Tyagarajan, great to have you today on ET Now. Thank you for your time as always.
Thank you. It was a pleasure interacting with you.
Okay, on that note, let's take a very quick break. We're holding on to morning gains. Can't be better. Dr. Reddy's, that only seems to be the one I saw today. Other than that, of course, ONGC and Coal India, one would anticipate would peter down a little bit. Other than that, all of the market is holding up very, very smartly. Take a break. Be right back for the F&O snapshot for the day.